You are the love of my life, Jesus. You are the hope that I cling to. You mean more than this world to me. I won't trade you for silver or gold. I won't trade you for riches untold.